Hey everybody, welcome back to another Your Tech Report video, and this one is a little bit of a quick spontaneous video because today's a pretty big day. Xbox Design Lab, the website and service that allows you to customize and create your own Xbox controllers, they are back. The service is back, it's online, it's live, and to celebrate that, I'm going to be unboxing my brand new custom designed Xbox Series X controller. Now, if you follow our channel, you already know that I'm a little bit of a fan of Xbox controllers. In fact, I have a lot of them. I think Mark would go as far to say is that I'm obsessed with Xbox controllers, which is, completely accurate. I'm probably very obsessed, but hey, my obsession makes for good content because then I get to share all of these cool controllers with you guys. So I thought I would unbox this controller, show you what I designed online, but before that, I wanted to show you how easy it was using XboxDesignLab.com to customize your very own controller should you be inspired by what I've done here. Now, just so you know, Xbox Microsoft has not sponsored this video. I bought this controller with my very own monies, and I just thought it'd be fun to go online and show you how the service worked. So, old man glasses on, XboxDesignLab.xbox.com pulled up. Let's go right to Design Yours. Here we go. And there you go. You start off with a very clean palette. Of course, you have the white controller here. And it lets you really, design any aspect of the controller that you want. You can choose a body color. Let's just choose something fun here. Let's go with retro pink. Then you can choose a color for the back of the controller. Let's do something crazy like pulse red. And then you can see it's pretty much boilerplate from here on. You can design the bumpers. Let's pick a fun color here. Let's do the triggers, something else. This is going to be the ugliest controller I've ever designed. And I do take pride in my controller design. Let's go with green. If I really wanted to design the ugliest controller ever, I think I've accomplished that. For the controls, let's do blue for the sticks, of course. You also can control the color of the actual buttons, the A, B, X, Y buttons. You have an option of doing either white with the gray letters, all gray with black. You can see, here they give you a bunch of different, choices. Let's go full-on clown here and choose that. The menu, view, and share buttons, let's go this. And engraving. Engraving lets you actually put your gamer tag. Mine is Biggles, now you all know. And I put mine on the bottom, which you'll see on the controller as well. And it's really that easy. You add it to the cart, and mine came within a couple of weeks, and I think that's only because the service was just ramping up. My guess would be that in the future it'll come even faster than that. But it's really that easy to design your own controller, get it done online, and have it arrive in your door very quickly. So that being said, now that I've shown you how easy it is to do online, let's unbox my controller. Okay, I have this very cool X-Acto pen here that I've been using for my unboxings lately. It's actually kind of fun to use, and it looks like a pen. I just have to make sure I tell the family, don't think this is a pen and don't try and write with it because you'll scratch the heck out of whatever you're trying to write on. Here we go. The old box within a box trick. Let's get rid of that. And you'll see every custom controller comes in this lovely white box with, you can see that. I love this stenciled shimmery line that they have in there. That looks really cool. But you don't really want to see that, do you? You want to just see the controller. So let's open this sucker up. Do I need to? Yep. I need my little X-Acto pen again. Okay, let's do that. Okay, the moment of truth. Oh, yeah. What do you think? I think it's absolutely beautiful in a very disturbing, colorful way. As you can see, I went with a purple, pink, blue, gray, colorful clown buttons, as I call them. I went with the darker blue buttons and I think that's ash gray for the triggers. So you get you a full look of what this controller looks like. It's really kind of cool looking. I like it even more in person. I don't know if you could see that, but it says Biggles right at the bottom there. I think you can see it. Yes, you can. There you go. Now, as I said earlier, I tend to get a lot of controllers. Some of them are just custom controllers like this. Others are themed controllers that Xbox puts out throughout the year. I just love having a variety, number one, because I love the way they look. But also, I like using different ones over a period of time so that none of my controllers get too much wear and tear on them. Now, if I had to complain, and again, take this with a grain of salt because it might not mean anything to any of you out there, but if you're like me, I really loved when Xbox brought, for the previous generation of controllers, for the Xbox One series of consoles, the rubberized back that they used to do right here for the grip. For some reason, that is not an option yet. I don't know if it's something they're going to do in the future. It's something I hope they do. If Microsoft is watching this, please bring back the rubberized grip in the back, because as good as it is, the texture that you designed into the handles, when touching it and rubbing it, still gives me the heebie-jeebies. That's right. Heebie-jeebies. So, yeah, I'd love to see the rubberized back come back. For some reason, we haven't seen that yet, but they have revamped everything on the site. And again, all you have to do is go to xboxdesignlab.xbox.com, design your very own, and you too can have a clownish, delightful controller just like this. And if you like this particular controller, just let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to give you, bit by bit, exactly what color I chose for each part of the controller. There you go. You know the drill. If you like this, if this was helpful, if it gave you joy, give us a like, give us a subscribe, whatever makes you comfortable. If not, we're just happy that you're here to watch the video. Good luck creating your own Xbox controller. We'll be doing more of these in the future, and I will see you on the next video. Oh, it's beautiful.